Picture this, mamas. You just booked a luxury weekend vacation in Miami. You have a stunning, bougie designer dress lined up for cocktail hour, and then reality hits. You are a breastfeeding mom, and your pumping schedule lines up exactly with the party. The thought of sneaking away to a sketchy restroom with a bulky corded pump is enough to make you want to cancel the whole trip. But here is the good news. You do not have to skip the champagne or hide in the hotel room. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to hide a wearable pump under a gorgeous cocktail dress so you can live your absolute best life without dropping a single ounce of liquid gold. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to navigating high-end travel and motherhood without losing your signature aesthetic. We firmly believe that being a mom does not mean sacrificing your style, your vacations, or your glamorous nights out. It just means you need a genius game-changer strategy. Grab a glass of wine and let us dive into the ultimate hacks for pumping in style. First up, let us talk about the dress itself because your silhouette is your secret weapon. If you try to squeeze a wearable pump under a tight, unlined satin slip dress, it is going to look like you are smuggling two distinct coconuts. Instead, look for dresses with strategic design elements. Ruching across the bust or torso is a total lifesaver for disguising the extra volume of a willow or LV pump. A-line dresses with a structured, textured bodice or heavy lace detailing are also incredible at masking any lumps or bumps. As a travel hack, choosing a dress with a busy, vibrant pattern not only hides the pump shape, but it also completely disguises any accidental leaks if you happen to spill a few drops while transferring your milk. Next, let us talk about the supporting cast, which is your bra and shapewear setup. Standard nursing bras are often too bulky or do not offer enough structure under a high-end dress. Invest in a sleek, seamless pumping bra or a high-quality plunging bralette that holds the wearable hubs securely against your chest without adding extra fabric. If your dress allows it, high-waisted shapewear can help smooth out the torso so all the focus stays on your gorgeous outfit, not the tech in your bodice. Also, remember that wearable pumps add a cup size or two, so if your dress has a zipper, ensure you have a little bit of breathing room so you do not put too much pressure on the pump shields, which can cause a total spill disaster. Finally, you need a flawless execution plan for when you are actually at the event. Walk into that party with absolute confidence, head straight to the bar, and enjoy yourself. When the timer goes off, slip away to the lounge or a high-end restroom for just 5 minutes. Slip the pumps out, and instead of carrying around a giant plastic bag, use a sleek, insulated luxury chiller that fits right inside your Chanel bag or designer tote. Toss in a couple of solid frozen gel packs, transfer your liquid gold, and you are good to go for hours. You can absolutely rock the party, keep your supply up, and look incredibly chic doing it. If you love these luxury motherhood hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and comment below with your favorite dress style for hiding a pump. Thanks for watching Milky Way Travels, and we will see you at the next stop. Cheers, mamas.